Okay, so here we go. First, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and I kind of wanted to just reach out to you here a little bit. I like helping business owners achieve a little bit more and grow, and I came across a few things that I thought might be interesting to you. So I kind of wanted to spread a little value your way and see what you thought about it. There was no phone number for me to call, so I'm trying to shoot this through the company email, so we'll see how this works. There's a couple key factors to go over when it comes to websites and getting yourself exposure and some more business on Google, and I kind of wanted to touch on that. You definitely need content, backlinks, and citations. So just kind of a general overview. It says right here your company is a general contractor, commercial and residential. So I went ahead and plugged in commercial contractor in Raleigh. Now, keep in mind, obviously, you know that every time you type something into here, these are keywords that are being typed into Google, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization or SEO, and that Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on that. And that's how you establish the rank factor. Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content on your homepage, depending on your competition and the keywords that your competition is using. Now, I plugged in your website here. I didn't find you within commercial anywhere, so I kind of wanted to touch on that a little bit. Obviously, we know that this is the map pack or the map area, and it has a lot to do with local traffic and generating sales right there with your area of coverage being connected to citations in your area. Citations is name, address, and phone number. Better Business Bureau, Angie, Yelp, Yellow Pages, things of that nature. Um, Plus, having some pictures and some reviews and things like that help you rank into this map area. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure comes into play with the content and the keywords that are built into your website so that you can be found for what people are searching for. Now, with your particular website, I have a tool that I can use, and it's called Ahrefs, and I can see what's going on behind closed doors with a website or a business and how well they're ranking and what's driving a lot of traffic. I did mention that backlinks are a major factor when it comes to ranking and getting exposure. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's endorsed by another company, another website, and it creates a lot of trust and popularity with you from other companies referring back to you. And we have 3 domains that you're linked to from that. And then we have keywords. Looks like you have 14 keywords within your website, and that's driving about 9 views of traffic per month. So to give you an idea of what's going on here on the first page of Google, because you're not found here, but somebody else is, this clearly rated does not count. This Chamber of Commerce does not count. But when you get to this organically ranked website right here, or this particular competitor for you, his site is here. He does have a phone number to directly create a line of communication, opposed to you having a form for somebody to fill out. A lot of people steer away from that without a direct line of communication to actually call and get a live person and speak on projects or what they may or may not have. They're going to kind of shun away from this because now they've got nobody to talk to. They don't know if it was received, how long you're going to wait to get a response, and you're losing a lot of excuse me, you're losing a lot of traffic that way. With their website, I plugged it into the same tool. You can see they have 242 backlinks, 54 referring domains, 72 keywords, and they're generating about 36 views a month on traffic. Now, keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal, so you definitely want a backlink with a strong domain rank and that has fair traffic. For example, you wouldn't want a landscaping company referring back to you. It won't carry as much weight as another construction company referring back to you. I do apologize for this slow internet connection right now because it's really hindering progress. Here we go. So a strong domain rank with lots of traffic, and not all backlinks are created equal. Here we can see that this particular one isn't driving anything, but this was just a reference for that. Another thing that we want to look at was keywords and what's driving traffic to him. Now this is search volume per month for these keywords that are being typed in. So Carolina design, 450 times a month, this is search. Carolina design and construction, 20. CarolinaDesign.com. Construction companies in Raleigh, 150 times. Construction companies in Raleigh, North Carolina, 250. So you get the idea. Once this is collectively added up, that's a lot of exposure being driven to one website when you have the right content that people are looking for. Now, all the keywords that they have or that your competitors use, you can have those as well, and then some. The backlinks that your competitors have, you can have those as well, and then some. So with that being said, we really need to kind of take a look at this. And if you're wondering, why I've got this website, but I'm not really driving as much traffic as I could, it's probably because there's a little suffering going on in here or what's internally with it. I know you also do general contracting, so I pulled up General Contractor Raleigh. And again, you're not here either. So this is just a little insight as to what's going on with your website and how it's actually affecting you. It's important to have a well-built website with the right content and the backlinks, your Google Business Profile being driven for the service areas that you cover, maybe having actually a phone number on there to get some contact and create a little bit more business and some exposure that way. With that being said, I was wanting to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you were wondering, how people are getting there, what's going on, this is just a little insight to that. If there was any questions or comments that you would like to talk about, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I appreciate this, and have a nice day.